Hello everyone, my name is John from PetaWise, the exclusive Uniview distributor in North America. What you're seeing right here is the brand new Uniview Smartboard. This multi-touch monitor can be used for schools, offices, sports centers, hospitals, and even retail. Some of the main highlights of the screen include full screen write capability with up to 20 points. You can use your fingers or one of the two included pens. It also has preloaded backgrounds. As well as an option to upload any photos or diagrams you may have. This display also incorporates something called quick gesture, whereas you can have a 2-finger zoom, 3-finger drag, or full erase. So now I'll show you how to enter comment mode in any interface. So say for example, you're doing a presentation where you have a diagram up. Right on the side display here, click on the pen. And now you can go ahead, put some points on here. And when you're done, clear it. And this is back to your pointer mode again as well. Another feature is wireless multi-screen interaction. So it supports up to 4 different devices mobily. And as you can see, you're able to at least use the display from your mobile or on screen. The Smart Display works on Android 8.0, which you can install different Android apps such as Uniview, Zoom, and other Android apps. So you can go back to your app settings here, and you'll be able to access whatever you need. I'm going to show you the built-in wireless connections. So under the settings, we have Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and built-in hotspot. There's also an option where you can do web browsing, do YouTube videos, and whatever you like here. The Smartboard has a 4K ultra high definition resolution that's available in 65, 75, and 86-inch sizes. So there's a demo of the Uniview Smart Interactive Display. With all these great features and all the different availabilities, what are you waiting for? Contact us at sales@petawise.com or go to our website, www.petawise.com. I appreciate your time and thank you for watching.